This is Manny from Trask.
Wait, hold on.
Okay. This is one of the first to come out.
Do that again.
Okay.
What you got, dog?
Oh, okay. It's Manny from Trask.
Is it Manny or is it the motor in a box?
This is Manny. This is our MK136 S&S crate motor. This is one of the first ones to come out, and we have a customer lucky enough to get this installed.
Yeah, dude, come on.
All right. Take it on the back. Ready? 1, 2, 3, up. Up. Oh, he's cutting towards me.
Look at that.
Yep.
That thing's badass.
She's gonna make some power.
Alright, you know what? You're not allowed on camera. Is this going in today?
Well, now,
I could slap that bitch in right now.
yeah, now it is.
Tell me it's going on the bike right now.
It's going in the bike right now.
It's going on that bike right there.
I'm gonna drop the oil pan on it now, clean that out, and then tomorrow we'll set this in there. If I can stay working on it.
If you can stay working on it for sure, because it's not that much to put.
No, to get if it's freaking half a day to get this thing running again.
Yeah.
Maybe a full day.
Go.
So yesterday we started getting this prep to drop in. We got the intake put on it. Got a couple sensors to put on it still. Get the stator off of the old cases. Should just drop right in after we get the stator on it and a couple sensors. So, guy bought a bike, secondhand, rode it for about a week, and he blew up his Harley 131. So he decided to go bigger and better. So he bought this 136 crate motor, and now we're here.
Don't scratch it when you put it in.
Dude, I want to put so many scratches in this.
He's gonna film you. He's gonna film you scratch it. Customer's gonna be like, if you go to the video at 136, I see you scratch my motor.
That's actually my legal name. Still like my driver's license. Oh, that was aggressive. It's alright.
We are putting tape on here to protect the frame and the motor, because this is the first time we put this motor in, and it says it's stock height, but the rocker boxes are kind of weird, so I don't want to scratch stuff up just because we're trying to fit it in. It is in the back on the. Is it on the left?
Down this
Yeah,
rail thing?
yeah, it should be right there, right? A ½ inch. Yeah.
Is your first motor? First time putting a motor to a bike, or?
Today. Yeah, first time today.
How often do you put motors to bikes?
Probably at least.
Let them know how
At
green
least.
you are, man.
At least. Maybe once every week or every 2 weeks. I'm tearing down. I do a bunch of crank up stuff, so I'm taking motors out all the time. I got a twin cam over there that I'm doing crank up on, so this is normal stuff.
Want to set this on the floor first?
Yeah, again. Well, we got to take it off the damn.
Yeah, I'll stand.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right.
You got it? Lift with your back.
You can kind of set it down. Hold on. We're gonna have to drop the trans.
Everything's got to go down.
Okay, bring the motor down first. All right, right there, fine. All right,
And then we'll drop the transmission.
yeah. Right there. Can you just go in?
Yep. You still got to let motors up and down still.
Okay.
All right. My side's in.
Where's my side? All right, my side's in. All right.
Perfect. Basically turnkey.
Yeah.
Basically it's key right now. I'll fire up.
Yeah.
Yep.
I mean, with this, we just got to get the front motor mount in, and I mean, that's pretty much it as far as the motor. Then we just got to get all the stuff around it.
What's all the stuff around it?
Like we get the primary on, we got to get the motor mount, we got to get the exhaust.
Crossover lines.
Yeah.
So there's a lot more than just putting it in the frame.
Yeah. Of course.
That's the hard part.
Yeah.
It's the hard part.
Yeah, the hard part.
That's done.
Nope, I don't know where it is.
If only we could find this engine mount, that'd be awesome. That engine mount set on that motor cart yesterday when we were moving shit around.
Yeah, I threw it out.
Did you?
Yeah.
Where?
Garbage can.
No.
There it is, right there.
It's right there.
Right where I put it.
A little more. Tiny bit more.
Yeah, there's good right there.
Sweet.
So next week we don't have a song about dog.
We got the exhaust, air cleaner, oil, primaries back all together.
You gotta take the spark plugs out.
Yeah, we gotta prime the motor, spin it over, prime it, get all the oil to the top end and everywhere it needs to be. Yeah, I think we're done. Big sexy. There is one thing you can assure. It's big and it's pretty sexy.
Wow.
There it goes. I sure the hell would hope 140 horse. Knowing what I know, what this cam can do in other applications, you know, smaller engines, not even that much smaller, but just smaller, it works well. So
That's the 550.
yeah, the SNS 550s in this one. I think you can get it spec'd with, I think, the 475 in it, and then you can get the little bit bigger one with the 550 cam in it. $124. Turbo would be cooler though.
It's custom shit, bro. It's just what you gotta do.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Yeah.
Okay. We're about to start the motor. We already got it good and primed. Got the oil to the top end. We saw oil pressure, and now we're gonna start it for the first time.
All right, who we got here with us?
Oh, this is Rob from SNS.
Hey guys, how's it going?
What's up? Tell us a little bit about this thing, if you can.
This is our 550 cam in the MK 136. Trask did a great job being one of the first people to get this out here. We're excited to hear it start up.
Go. Right on.
I like your SNS shirt.
I just have to do a little more extra work at school.
Yeah, he's just gonna.
He's just kind of. It's just a big SNS logo. It's floating around as he moves. It's just fucking.
Give us a little update.
Well, we started up, let it get a little bit hot. It seems to run good. Probably needs a little fine tuning, but it sounds healthy. It sounds like it'll make some power. So excited to see what it's going to do in the dyno.
What are the next steps?
Next steps is probably going to test ride it a little bit, see what the tune looks like, and then we're going to put it in the dyno and see what it does.